Amazon have sent us an early Christmas present.
This is a brand new hot sauce by the sauce shop and it's called Cranbanero. Perfect for Christmas and it's available exclusively on Amazon.
It's a gorgeously spicy cranberry sauce, which is a genius idea. The perfect thing for Christmas to add that little bit of heat, and it goes amazingly in our Christmas pastry parcels. Here's how you make them.
First up, put 6 vegan sausages in a bowl and mash them up with the back of a fork. Once your sausages are well mashed, whack the stuffing in the bowl. Now for the main event, we've got our Cranbanero sauce shop sauce. To add a little fat, we've got some vegan butter. Now mix everything together until it's well combined. And if you want a little more heat, add some more Cranbanero. Now we've got to roll them into 12 equal sized balls. So these are our Cranbanero stuffing balls sorted, time to prep our pastry. Carefully roll out the sheet of vegan puff pastry on the baking tray that you intend to cook the parcels on. Take a sharp knife and cut your sheet of pastry into 6 equal pieces. Now cut away any ends to make sure that you've actually got squares rather than rectangles. Right, those pastry squares are looking good, but now what we've got to do is take off a little bit of edging around the side of each square. And the reason for this is because it adds a really wonderful shape to the pastry parcels. Right, that's all our pastry sorted. Now we're going to add a little bit of sweetness in the form of cranberry sauce. Pop a little cranberry sauce on each of the pastry squares. Oh, this is looking so good, and this is such a wonderful thing to make. Now put your Cranbanero stuffing balls in the middle of each square of pastry. To make your pastry parcels as good as possible, spend a little time shaping the balls into little pyramids. To help the pastry stick, brush a little bit of vegan milk on each part of exposed pastry. Now for the fun bit, let's take each corner of each pastry square and bring it up over the stuffing ball to completely encase it. Make sure that you pinch each pastry parcel at the top so they don't pop open in the oven. Look at how good they look, they just look wonderful. Brush a little vegan milk over the top of these wonderful pastry parcels to give them a nice golden crisp. They look great now, but they're going to look even better with these. These are nigella seeds, also known as black onion seeds, and look at how good they look. So here are our Cranbanero Christmas parcels ready for the oven. They're going to go in there for 25 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius until golden and crispy. And here they are, our fantastic Christmas pastry parcels. Oh my days, this is the perfect thing for a Christmas party. They're really easy to make, they're super delicious, and they've got a nice fiery kick because of that fantastic Cranbanero hot sauce. Woohoo! Cheers!
What a gorgeous little pastry parcel that is. That is an absolutely beautiful thing. With that spicy Cranbanero sauce. That is the good stuff. Make sure you dip.
Trust me, absolutely delicious. You need to make these at home.